Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Tracie Reed and this is Acrylic Pouring with Friends. I hope you guys are all having a great day. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I am working on a 10 by 20 canvas, and as you can see I've got my little mini blower. I haven't used it in a while. I did a painting. I'm not sure if I released that video yet because sometimes they're out of order, but it was fun, and so I thought I would get some other colors and give it a go again. So it's always fun when I get out my mini blower, and as you can see I've got the 3 different attachments that go on this. Those are available in my Etsy shop, so you can check out the link in the description. And I'm gonna go ahead and go over the colors really quick. So pretty much almost everything is from DecoArt today. I've got white pearl, I've got ice blue. One of my favorites, I love this color, it's Peacock pearl. And then extreme sheen, this one is, oh, wrong one, I'm not using, yeah, bronze. Got the extreme sheen bronze. And then this one here I'll have to show you, it's a little bit of leftover, it's like an aquamarine, but I made it because I was out of aquamarine. So I used DecoArt, Americana, and I don't have the bottles, I'm not sure where they are, Emerald. There was some Peacock pearl in that, and then I also added DecoArt titanium white, and then it's really super pretty. And then I'm going to be using a cell activator, and that is from Amsterdam, and I use the Lamp Black. That's what I use in mine. So let me get my gloves on here really quick and we'll get started. All of my paints are mixed 1 part paint to 2.5 parts pouring medium. My pouring medium is Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol, water, and some Golden GAC800. And then the way that I mixed my cell activator is 1 teaspoon of Amsterdam Lamp Black with 3 tablespoons of the Australian Floetrol. So if you don't have the Australian Floetrol, because it is a bit pricey, you can substitute with the American Floetrol, and then just add some pre-stained wood conditioner. Let's see if I have my bottle here somewhere. There's a couple different brands. This is the ℏ𝕬𝕚 pre-stained wood conditioner. Minwax also makes it. It's in a red can. And I usually add into that recipe that I mentioned already, I add about 6 to 8 drops. Now that works for me. You may have to adjust to what works for you. But that's a good substitution if you don't have the Australian Floetrol. Alright, so what I'm going to do, start here, is I'm just going to put some of this white pearl down on the canvas, and I'm not going to cover the whole thing. Just going to try to move it around a little bit because I will be, once I get the rest of the colors on, I'll be tilting. And I love white pearl. I used to use it a lot. Anytime that I was gonna maybe use white, I just substituted for the white pearl. I love it. It's just adds an extra little bit of, you know, sparkliness. So I love that. All right, and then what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna go ahead and put some puddles down, kind of all over the place. And I don't really have any set way that I'm gonna put these on, other than I know that when I did the last one I told you I did, but I don't know if I released yet. I used a lot of copper in that one, so I'm gonna try, and it kind of took over a bit, so I'm gonna try to use a little bit less of the bronze, because again it may have a tendency of taking over. over as well. Alright guys, let's take a peek at the wet photos. And I really love how this painting turned out. The colors are so pretty together. And it's funny because in the beginning I was so worried about the bronze taking over that I didn't use as much. Totally forgot about the white pearl. So I have a ton of pearl cells as well as some lacing going on there. And I really do love this painting. I would love to hear what you guys think as well. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and also to share this video. If you think someone else may enjoy it, go ahead and share it with them. And I do apologize, there's no dry photos this week. My Etsy shop has gone crazy, which I don't mind. So if you'd like to add to the crazy, head on over to my Etsy shop. Get yourself a set of nozzles for your mini blower, and maybe check out some of my other acrylic pouring tools that you may need. And I will have the dried photos over on my Facebook group, and that is called Acrylic Pouring with Friends as well. And if you're not a member, go ahead and go check that out. It's a great group, and I probably will try to have it in an upcoming video if I remember. Alright guys, I do hope you enjoyed my video today. I hope you got a lot out of it. I have a bunch more videos that I know you will enjoy as well, and I will catch you in the next one.